I am.
Okay, so I'm thinking of a number. Can anybody guess what it is? Joey.
107.
107.
Jacob.
107.
Joey.
107.
You're both right. It's 107. I'm thinking of 107, and I'm going to tell you that this is the last of the inequality stuff. Last of the inequalities. So enjoy them and love and cherish them because we move on to systems. And I don't know, some of you in here have seen systems, and systems are scary. So that's 108.
They're not that scary.
Yes, they are.
They're not that
Terrible.
scary. That's Tyler in the background saying, not that
I
scary.
thought they were pretty fun.
Spencer, you
Yeah, so here we go. The end of the inequalities. So this is the final chapter of inequalities.
Yes.
When I call on Jacob, I want you to say solid line. That's it.
All right.
Okay? And Preston, will you talk today? I'm going to tell you what to say every time I call on you. You just have to say the same thing.
Wait, what do I have to say?
Preston, you say dotted line. Every time I call on you, just be like dotted line. Okay? You're going to say solid line.
Okay.
So if I call on you and you say dotted line, I'm going to throw this pen at you. And you say dotted line. Brianna, if I call on you, you say shade up.
Shade up?
Yep.
Okay.
If I call on you, you say shade down.
Shade down.
Okay, so solid, dotted, shade up, shade down. And let's see, hope maybe Rachel can at least get us started. What do we shade up on when it comes to inequalities? Greater than. So greater than's get shade up, which means the less than's get shade down. Solid lines have what underneath them?
The line.
The line the equal to. So solid lines when we have the equal to, and then dotted lines when we don't. There we go. Solid lines when we have the equal to, dotted lines when we don't. I kind of forgot what I wrote right here, so I'm going to read it. All right, we have 3 examples. Example 1, here's the great thing. Sometimes you work this objective and you get something like example 1 where it's already in slope intercept. It's y is less than mx plus b, or y is greater than mx plus b. So, you're already ready to graph it. That's it. You have no work to do. Just have to graph it. Example 2 and 3 will require some work. So here we go. I'm going to zoom in. We're going to take a look at this. Y is greater than or equal to 5, 6x minus 2. First thing to ask yourself is, what type of line am I going to use, Jacob?
Dotted. Oh, solid.
Dang it!
Throw
Okay.
it back.
I knew that was happening.
Oh my goodness.
Terrible. Okay, what type of line am I going to use?
Solid.
Solid line. I'm not throwing another pen. Solid line.
Good. Good.
Okay.
Throw it back.
And then, where are my solid lines at? Anybody? On my answers here.
C and D.
C and D are my solids. Alright, the next thing I want to say is, should I shade up or should I shade down, Brianna?
Shade up.
I'm going to shade up. Greater than, so I'm going to shade up.
There's
So-
the pen.
So look at my bottom 2, and somebody tell me which one is shading up.
D.
D.
That's it. D is in dog. D is in daylight. D is in what? No, that's all. No,
Diana.
you just said the only 2 D.
Diagonal. Show you the math turn.
That's diagonal. Diagonal, okay. There you
Hey,
go.
I got that start today.
All right, here we go. Math basketball today is going to be Dalton shooting from right here. Who thinks he's going to make it?
Oh, I got
I got
it.
one.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
4 people have faith in you, and his arm is sore too.
Yeah, go Dalton.
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Give him another shot. Give him another shot. Sit yourself down.
It's a pack.
You got packed.
Solid. Solid.
I still got a swat.
Why do you not play basketball? What is this?
Oh,
How
because
big he is. He
One
go
for
out
because
there
he
and
wants
punch
it done
somebody.
before he can play basketball.
I'm telling go like Dalton's got. He
I'll
should
play
those.
football before basketball.
Well, I have no problem with that. So,
I do.
No, you do.
do you,
You'll have one
Jacob, do you
more.
play basketball?
No.
So what are you talking about?
I'm gonna play anything.
All right, here we go.
His shoulders.
Second one up. Second one up, right here. It is not an mx plus b, unfortunately. So you must get it there. I'm coming. I've got it written over here for you. But before we even do anything, I want you to look at this piece right here.
It's gonna.
Is this piece positive or negative?
Positive.
So that will mean what to us?
We won't change the sign.
We won't change the sign. It's greater than. It's going to stay greater than. It is not changing. You know that before you even start.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, I do.
I got to take care of this piece.
Add the 4x to the other side.
Coming over here. Crosses out. I got y. Not changing. And now, don't make that 0. That's negative 4 and 4. And some people will be like, oh, it's 0. It's not 0.
Negative
Those
4
aren't
and 4.
That's
Yes.
it. 4x.
Minus 4.
Those aren't friends. They don't go together. And now we're ready to graph it. First question I'm going to ask though is what kind of line, Preston, am I going to use?
Dotted.
I'm going to use dotted line. And then, well, let's ask where my dotted line's at. I'm going to use dotted.
A and B.
A and B. And now that's a greater than, so Brandon, where am I going to shade?
Up.
I'll shade up. Which one of these is up?
Earn.
A. A is in apple. A is in abdominal. A is in
Approval.
approval. Good. Those are
A is in
Algebra.
A is in algebra. That's a good one. I don't know why I didn't think of that one. I ran out of A words after apple. It's weird.
A is in acute angle.
Cute angle.
Oh, acute
You guys
angle.
are better than me on these today. All right, 2x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 10. It needs some work. It's not an mx plus b. Let's come over here and do it.
All right.
Oh, wait, before you start though, right here, this piece. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
So what's that going to mean?
Not gonna change the sign.
Sign won't change. It's greater than. It's going to stay greater than. Make sure that you don't change it, no matter what. First thing I do is minus 2x. It's minus the 2x. That's 5y. No sign change. Don't put them together. Don't say 8x. Please don't say 8x.
It's 8x.
No. No, Jacob.
Negative
No.
2x.
Wow, Jacob.
Wow,
Oh.
Preston.
Hey, I didn't say it, so.
All right, here we go.
10x.
All right, now I got to take care of this coefficient. How do I get rid of that guy?
Divide.
Divide.
Divide by 5, by 5, by 5. And
By 5.
y, no sign change.
Fives.
Yeah.
Yep, this is not going to reduce.
Plus 2.
All right, here's the great question of the world. Is I got a greater than or equal to. So what kind of line am I going to use, Jacob?
Hum.
Or you better stay solid because this marker doesn't have a cap on it.
Oh.
Dotted.
I'm saying it.
No, you're good.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Joby, fix him. Tell me what this is supposed to be.
Solid.
White.
Solid. You're lucky. I don't want your mom to come yell at me why you have blue marker on your shirt.
My mom say, why didn't you just do it in the first place?
I'll be like, look, your son
parents would.
obviously said a wrong answer in math class, and this is how we roll. I throw markers at students.
What
Solid
we did the first
lines.
time won't be the last.
Solid lines. And she'd be like, okay, you probably deserved it.
Exactly.
Okay, and I'm sorry, Sam, you don't even get called on today.
I know.
Brianna, where do I shade on this? I shade up. All three examples we shade up. I'll ask Sam, though. Hey, is she right? Do we
No.
shade up?
Yeah.
Okay.
It
No.
was just Brian and Jacob the whole time.
Hey, I got Preston in there once. Which one of these is shading up?
D.
D.
As in dog.
B.
Diagonal.
Hey.
Delusional.
Hey.
D is in
Donald's.
delusional. D is in diamonds.
D is in dictator.
He has a dinosaur.
Dictator.
Drum
Dinosaur.
set.
D as in Drake.
D is in.
Okay,
Hannah's is better.
who's got this? Who's
Oh,
got
I
this?
got this.
I'm gonna go Haley. I'm gonna go. You've already shot it.
Haley ain't gonna make it.
Haley's got it from a mile away, but Haley plays basketball. She's got this. Hey, no blocking this shot, Jacob. No blocking it. She's shooting from a mile away. Let it go through. That's not bad. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay, that is it. So hide your face or wave goodbye. That's it. You guys did better. I tell you, last hour they all like clammed up like turtles. They're like, so. All right, that's it. Let's go ahead and
Joey.
I did get closer than Roby.